Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2, and I'm not going to go over a lot of it because you need to back up and watch part 1. I did it with a heart because I said you could do different shapes. That's pretty cool, and you could play around with it quite a bit. So all I did was, and if you didn't watch part 1, I just did it with, well, let me just do it over. It's not that, I'd use a better color this time. Let's go with green this time, and let's make a new shape too. Let's make a star. Let's get the star closer to the picture, and we're going to go select, and then put that arrow in there, and look what you got. Now click on your part you're going to Pointillizer and hit apply. Well, back up here, I did not use the transparency, but it's still pretty cool. Let's back up here and use the transparency docker or transparency tool and just kind of swipe through there and maybe put a little bit more white in it and say okay. Whoop. And then we'll just use your star. You've already got your star in there, and see now I've got custom. And you just go to custom and select. Now I'm going to hit apply. It's going to take a little bit longer because it's maybe a lot going on. And then get your ellipse. This one doesn't look like it's going to be as cool. Go to effects, lens effects, fisheye. And now let's blow this one up quite a bit, like 300. See what it looks like. Look at that. Now you could do almost that same, well, we got to freeze it. One thing about it, you can move this thing around and put it wherever you want and then go frozen. And when you do that, you can move it around. That's pretty cool. It looks a little better if you take away the outline. And so you could put it any shape you wanted. I'm going to keep playing around with it and see if you can't put maybe even a text in there or something. Anyway, pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.